Hope she don't fall off of it or something.
What are you doing, Chrissy?
Well, thank you, Jeffrey and Ariel.
Yeah, thank you, Jeffrey and Ariel. Y'all did good. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
What?
Oh. Hey, let me see your drawing thing. Can I see it? Wow, what do you got? Look, we can make
That's like the
flowers.
perfect little size for her.
Yeah, it is.
Take
And you
this.
know her sister has a
Stop.
bigger rocking horse.
I'm afraid she's like gonna jerk off of it or something.
Whoa.
Okay, get her.
Look at there.
You know that horsey?
Wow. That's so cool. Then your little pin goes there?
No,
Just the
Mom, you
ear.
squish it here.
They had another one that had a saw blade on the other side of it, but
You better.
I like the looks and style of that one
I
better.
like this one back there. I know what you're talking about. Do you see the little thing back of it?
Mm-mm.